Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Covington, Louisiana, and home of Allpax products. Allpax is an industry leader and the only single-source U.S. manufacturer of complete and fully integrated automated batch retort systems. Supplying the largest food and beverage manufacturers in the world, Allpax's customers have come to trust the quality and reliability of their equipment and service. Designed by thermal process specialists and engineered for long service life, Allpax provides the most diverse offering of batch retorts and supporting equipment available to manufacturers of shelf-stable foods and beverages. Engineered to provide even temperature distribution and short cycle times for increased throughput, Allpax retorts are available in custom lengths and diameters to meet any line speed requirement. In applications requiring it, Allpax retorts are available with agitation, providing shorter cycle times and improved quality for products packaged in any type of container. To support the retort systems, Allpax offers in-house design and manufacture of all automation equipment, including robotic and sweep-type loaders and unloaders, conveyor systems, and shuttles. This provides customers with a one-stop source for all components of the automated batch retort system. Integration of the system components is accomplished through Allpax's in-house developed suite of software modules, a full line of human-machine interface control, process tracking and logging and reporting software, as well as equipment service, maintenance, and optimization software is available. Everything manufactured at Allpax undergoes rigorous factory acceptance testing prior to shipment to its customers. Allpax looks great, works great, delivered on time. Visit Allpax at allpax.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.